Is your private account sitting on TikTok not working properly? Whether you can't enable or disable it, your privacy changes aren't being saved, or your account visibility isn't updating as expected? Don't worry, here in this video I will show you how to fix private account on TikTok. The first thing you have to do is to go to TikTok app. Then in this page of TikTok, you will find this sign of profile, so you will tap on your profile, you will click here. After that you will move to above to this sign. Then we'll go to settings and privacy. After that, on privacy and settings, or settings and privacy, you will find private account, you will tap here. And then we'll tap here to enable your private account and face problems. So please don't forget to press the bell icon.